Alright, 3 minutes to get identity and access management locked in. Rule of 3, time, prove, grant, guard, first, prove identity. If I can't trust who's knocking, nothing else matters. I start with a single source of truth for people, an identity provider, Azure AD, Okta, Google Workspace, whatever fits. I sync users from HR, not spreadsheets, so identities match real employment. Then I raise the bar on logins, MFA by default, not optional. Authenticator apps, SMS, less secure. Passwordless with passkeys. Security keys. I add conditional access. If the device is unknown, location is risky, or the request looks odd, step up authentication, or block. 1 account per human. No shared logins. Service accounts get their own lockdown identities. Second, grant access. Least privilege is the rule. Start with 0 and add just enough. I use roles, not vibes. Role-based access control means job, permissions, not friend asked nicely. I separate duties. The person who requests access isn't the one who approves it. For admin power, I go just in time. Temporary elevation with an approval trail, and I record what changed. High-risk systems get privileged access management vault credentials, rotate them, and never hard-code secrets in code. Devices matter too. I check posture encryption on, screen lock, updated OS, and I centralize access with single sign-on, so people use one portal and I can yank access in one place. Third, guard continuously. I log everything that touches identity sign-ins, MFA prompts, privilege grants, API tokens, then I actually look at it. Alerts for impossible travel, repeated failures, new global admin, quarterly access reviews keep permissions fresh, managers attest to who needs what. When someone changes roles or leaves, I automate deprovisioning, kill tokens, revoke sessions, remove groups, archive data, same day. I test recovery. If the IDP goes down, can I still reach critical systems? Break glass accounts exist, are stored safely, and are tested. Vendors get their own lane-separate groups, time-bound access, and an exit date baked in. Now, quick blueprint you can ship this week. Day 1, turn on MFA for everyone. Pick the app method, enforce enrollment, add location device risk policies. Day 2, map 3 core roles, employee, manager, admin, and set baseline permissions. Remove direct access, use groups. Day 3, enable SSO for your top 5 apps. Kill local passwords there. Day 4, roll out just-in-time admin and vault shared passwords. Rotate anything used by scripts. Day 5, automate offboarding from HR to IDP. Test it with a fake departure. Week 2, turn on sign-in logs. Hook alerts to chat. Run your first access review. Remember, prove identity, grant least privilege, guard continuously. IAM isn't a product you buy, it's a habit you build. Start small, make it default, and let the policy do the heavy lifting. You've got this.